Hey fabulous, so welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I am Terry. I hope you're all doing fine. So I wanted to come on here and say hi guys. I hope that you're all doing fine. I know I just said that. I wanted to come on here and say hi. I hope that you're all doing well, and it's the new year. I hope that you are all making your New Year's resolutions and remaining positive despite everything that's going on right now in the world. We all just need to, remain positive and do what we do. Anywho, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a makeup look using the YAMI Angelina palette today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. While I have you here, please go ahead and like this video and also subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Thank you in advance. So today, as I said, I'm using the YAMI Angelina palette, and these are the beautiful colors that is in this palette. I really love these colors, guys, and I got the collection, so it also came with a lip gloss. And I'm just gonna go ahead and base my lid. I am using the JUVIA'S concealer in number 12 to base my lid, and then I'll go ahead and set that into place with the Airspun loose face powder. First, I am going in with this brown shade. It is called Yatusabe, and this is my transitioning shade. And as usual, JUVIA'S palettes are always vibrant, so you don't need a lot of product. All you need to do is just build up your color and you're fine. Next, I am going in with October 12, and I'm using that at the top of Yatusabe, and I am blending out the edge of that color. Next up, I'm going in with my first shimmer color, and it is called Barbie Brat. I'm taking that right into the center of my lid, and I'm using my fingers to apply my shimmers today. And then I'm going in with Angel, and I'm applying that into the inner part of my eyelid, and I'm just gonna blend those two colors together and blend out the edge using the first color that I applied. And you guys want to fuse everything together. So I'm going in with Glitter Queen. I'm gonna apply it right into my tear duct area, and while doing this I realized that my brush actually matched the glitter that was in this palette. That was cool, so I went ahead and did that. Now I'm going to apply my liner, and this is a lash glue slash liner, guys. This is the best thing ever made. Anyone who invented this, they are the best. Okay, super easy to apply my lashes. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a wing, and before I go in with my lashes, I'm gonna add mascara. You can use any black mascara you own to help your lashes blend in with your mink lashes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop those lashes on real quick. And that's it for the eyes, guys. So now I'm just gonna move on to the face. So I zoomed out. I'm going in with my moisturizer, and I use the Nivea Soft cream, and then I go in with my primer, and it's the Black Up Matifying primer, and I'm focusing that on the T-zone area, and I just apply that all over my face. Also, I'm going back in with the JUVIA'S concealer number 12. I am highlighting first today. I'm trying out this new method, and it actually worked. So I am applying my concealer first, and I'm also using the one to kind of clean up the edges of my wing liner, and I'm gonna go ahead in with number 7. That's the JUVIA'S concealer, and I'm gonna put that on the perimeter of the concealer that I added first. And after I do this, I kind of go in and merge both of the colors together, the light concealer and dark concealer together, and then I leave that to dry down before I go in and blend. So at this point, my concealer started drying down, guys, and this method is really great if you want full coverage. And this also prevents your makeup from like shifting all over your face, be it foundation, concealer. Let your creams dry down and you will have full coverage on your face, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and like blend those out. I'm taking my time. I left this in real time for the most part. And now I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. It's a matte poreless foundation from Maybelline in 338 Spicy Brown. I'm going to apply that around the areas of my face that has no product. So basically like the perimeter of my face, and then I'll go in with my damp sponge and I will blend that into my skin. So you're gonna blend, ensure that you're blending in the edges of your concealer with your foundation so that you don't have any harsh lines and you don't look all crazy, okay? So once that is done, I'm going back in with the Airspun setting powder. I ensure that under my eyes are not creasing, and then I press that powder into my skin and I take my time with that. I usually rush this process and I realize that it doesn't work out. So today I decided to take my time and press as much powder as I needed into my skin. I didn't bake, guys, for today. I just pressed that in, and I also applied some to my smile line area as well. Next, I'm going to set the rest of my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Powder in 355 Coconut. I'm just going to pat that in and then I blend that into my skin. So today I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is in 360. It's a tad darker than the powder that I always use. I'm just using this to bronze my face up, and I'm gonna apply that to all the parts of your face that you usually contour or bronze. And I'm just gonna like press that into my skin, and then I blend it out using the brush that I use to apply my face powder. On the lower part of my lash line, I'm going in with the Yatu Sabe. That was the first shade that I used on my eyes, and I'm going to apply that to the lower lash line. And I also used a black liner to line the inner part of my lash line. And I'm showing you guys how it kind of like made my eyes look small compared to the other one. And once that is done, I will go in with my mist and spray my face down to get that snatched skin-like look. Once my face dried down, I go with the True Complexion. I can't talk today. Once that dries down, I go in with the True Complexion contour palette from Black Radiance, and I use the highlight color. I really like this highlight color because it is so natural looking. It makes it look as if I am glowing from within. So I apply that to my nose as well as the front part of my cheeks, and then I blend that in. Now onto the lips, I'm going with the JUVIA'S lip liner, and this is in Kola. I really like this lip liner. It is so creamy, it glides on easily, and it's a perfect dark brown shade for me. So I'm just aligning my lips and I'm kind of like dragging it down towards the center of my lip so that I can have like this ombre effect when I add my gloss on top. So I'm using the lip gloss that came with the palette, and it is called Island Mami. That's what it's looking like. It's really pretty. When I first put it on, I was like, what the heck? This is so peachy. But then I just started like blending it into my lips. But then I started blending it into my lips, and I applied as needed, and I continued blending it until it looked like this. Like real cute. Okay, so this is a finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Peace.